Hello everyone, it's nice to be back after a while. Today I'm showing you how I made these pieces. I was trying to build translucent dragonfly wings. Here you can verify the translucency. I hope you enjoy. Stay around. To make it realistic, the colors of the wings had to be subtle. So I remembered these Aurora powders I bought and I hadn't used yet. They came unlabeled, so I made samples and then glued them to the lids. You hardly can tell the color by looking at the container or when applied to light-colored clay, but when applied to black they are bright, beautiful with a metallic shine. I used blue, green and purple, and I'm mixing on the 3 pieces of translucent CERNIT. I'm using a generous amount to make sure it would be noticed after baked. I'm surprised how well we can see the color here in the video. Here we can see clearly that I am using blue. But believe me, it was unrecognizable when I was working. Then I baked some samples and kept each color next to its sample and to the powder container to avoid confusion. I reduced each color to a long string and then I applied the metallic powder, again not labeled, but a black or at least a very dark gray. I cut each string in several same-size pieces and arranged them in a cane. Then I joined the 3 colors together side by side. I probably would arrange them differently if I did this again, but this seemed right at the moment. I cut the cane in 2 pieces, and as you can see, the dragonfly has 2 pairs of wings, the front pair and the back pair, being slightly different in shape. I started modeling each cane to match these shapes. CERNIT is so soft, it is hard to keep the shape. It's done. Now I'm working on the body of the dragonfly. This is the base with a hoop on the top. This is the body. The head, a cut in the middle to simulate the eyes, and the tail. To color, I used the same blue powder. Can you see the difference when applied to black clay? and green to paint the eyes. Now I'm cutting 2 wings from each cane. And putting them in the right position. With the body in a piece of paper, I marked the place of the wings. Making sure there was no distortion in the manipulation. Liquid clay as glue, and my dragonfly is ready to the oven. Now for the pendant. I applied a pair of wings to black clay and burnished until smooth. It's important to put a piece of paper on top. Then I use the round cutter The earrings were made exactly the same way, only here I reduced a segment of the canes to make the wings smaller. Here is the result after the first bake. 30 minutes, 130 degrees Celsius. Then I applied an extra layer of clay, black, textured with a sponge at the back of the pendant and the earrings, and baked again another half hour. The pendant and the earrings were sanded and polished. To the Dragonfly, I applied FIMO gloss varnish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Keep creating. See you soon.